Hello and welcome to Habano News. A couple of years ago, I ordered the Habano Moderno books, and in order to support Alexander Groom for the immense work that he's doing for the Cuban Cigar website, I ordered the Connoisseur's edition. The Connoisseur's edition is the complete collection plus a signed humidor and numbered humidor. And today I received all those packages. I have been told by Alexander that the humidor is not included yet because the gentleman that was handcrafted them had to go through an immense pain, and there was a drama in his family, so I would like to extend my sympathy. I am really sorry about what happened, and I would like to pass my condolences to him. So here are the packages. I have no idea what's inside because I can't remember what I ordered. So let's open those boxes and go through them. So this is the first package. I'm going to put this on the floor. And I have my computer here with a list of items because I can't remember what's inside. So this is empty, and this beautiful box here, look at this, El Habano Moderno by Alexander Groom. This is beautiful, and I'm going to check. And this is the collector's edition. Two separately linen-bound and signed volumes of El Habano Moderno, presented in a cigar box-styled clamshell case. So these are supposed to be signed editions. So as you can tell here, this looks like the guarantee seal from the Cuban boxes. Now I am going to open this in front of you. So here is what we have. It really looks beautiful. Look at this. El Habano Moderno is a comprehensive, beautifully illustrated collector's guide to contemporary Cuban cigars, presented in two parts. The first volume gives a brief overview of the history of the Cuban cigar, along with detailed analysis of the various details and methods that can be used to date and authenticate Cuban cigars of any time period. This is very useful because, as you know, there are a lot of fakes in the market. The second volume presents detailed information on each and every release of Cuban cigar produced in the modern era, beginning in the early 2000s. It includes detailed information on more than 1,000 cigars, illustrated with high-quality photographic illustrations, most of which were created especially for this work. Imagine the amount of work. This section also includes important details related to packaging, sizes, and release dates and quantities. Wow, very impressive. So this here is the document. I'm going to open the box again. So we have the first book here, El Habano Moderno, and this 432 out of 500 has been signed by Alexander Groom. Here it is. Beautiful. And so that's the first book. And this here, look at this here, all gold, is the part 2. With all the cigars. So I'm going to put this back inside, and I'm going to have a look at what's inside this box. El Habano Moderno, enjoy the book. What do we have? We have those leather bookmarks here. Look at these. They're beautiful. They are called Bookplates. It's a pack of 6 Bookplates. I have no idea what they are used for. Maybe someone can tell me in the message. So we have here the leather bookmarks. Then we have the updates, because of course every year there are going to be updates to add to the book. So these are 2023 updates, 2023 updates. And there are 3. There should be 3 books. And so here is the red book. Another leather bookmark. And we have here the blue book. So I'm going to have a look and the difference between. Okay, so this is the Kickstarter edition, and this is the red. This is the retail edition. And let's have a look at what we have here. Very impressive. So this looks like a cigar cutter from Cigar, and this is a beautiful cigar cutter with my initials on it, LCFB. Beautiful, great souvenir. Thank you very much. So we have this, and then let's have a look at what we have here. This beautiful book here is the leather edition of the book. Beautiful. Part 1 and part 2 are together. Beautiful. Smell of leather is beautiful. Here you are. And I was told that by Alexander, so far I think it is the first one to be shipped. So, of course, I'm very happy. Here is the leather edition. So, there is also this. And what's inside, I have no idea. Let's have a look. Looks like a poster. Wow, it's a huge poster. Let me put this. This is beautiful. This is the Vitolario de Galera. This is what this poster here is what they use in the factory with the details of all of the Vitolos that are made by Habanos. So this is a recap of what I got. This is the Kickstarter edition, the blue book. It has the inside the two parts. Then here we have what we call the retail edition, and it's signed by Alexander Groom. Then we have what we call the collector's edition, and inside there are the two volumes, volume 1 and volume 2. Here you have the part 2. Here you have the part 1. It's signed and numbered. And then comes the leather-bound book. Beautiful, all leather. Signed here by Alexander Groom. Here we have leather bookmarks. And here come the updates for the 3 editions that I have. And finally, here is the cigar cutter with my initials on it. So, beautiful souvenir, something to keep. So now I'm waiting for the custom-made humidor, which has been delayed. And once I receive it, of course, I will make a video. I hope you like this video. If you did, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.